Honorable Sri Prithviraj Chauhan, Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Honorable Mr. Peter Haas, Consul General of United States of America, my friend Mr. Nanik Rupani, Regional President, Indo-American Chamber of Commerce, and all distinguished guests gathered here to mark the 9th Indo-American Corporate Excellence Award and commemoration of American Independence Day. Let me congratulate all the entrepreneurs who have been selected for 9th Indo-American Corporate Excellence Awards. Indo-American Awards jury deserve compliments for choosing these adults from their respective fields who have shown their ability for creating successful business modules. In this competitive world, sustainability and profitability have become key concepts for success. First find the gap and then fill the gap is a time-tested market mantra of success for this endeavor. Indo-American Chamber of Commerce is doing very well in this direction. I would like to thank Mr. Nanik Rupani for organizing this function, inviting a number of dignitaries from various fields, and for giving me opportunity to attend this function also. Today, India has an ascending number of skilled and unskilled employed laborers. We are in dire need of new breed of social entrepreneurs who are capable of absorbing this robust rural and urban workforce into their enterprises. We need more job creators than the job fillers today. I expect that in the forthcoming years on this platform there will be an addition of more such success stories of social entrepreneurs who will speed up the inclusive growth of Indian economy. I have to mention here with the pride that United States of America and India are global strategic partners working together to promote shared prosperity, peace and stability. We are working together in number of ways like counter-terrorism, energy, climate change, education, development, science and technology and business. More than 1 lakh Indian students studying in the United States and more than 3 million Indian Americans are in the United States. Trade between our two countries is growing rapidly. I wish to cover more and more areas of the better friendship in future. On behalf of Maharashtra legislature and 120 million people of the state, I extend my warm greetings to the people of United States of America on the occasion of the Independence Day. I salute the memory of great freedom fighters George Washington and Thomas Jefferson who shaped the future of United States of America. Let this anniversary of independence of United States of America comes with better mutual understanding, peace, prosperity and successful counter-terrorism policy. As we all are aware, under the prudent leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Manmohan Singh Ji and President of America Mr. Barack Obama, India and US are marching along with the paths of cooperation and mutual understanding. On this occasion, I wish that the friendship of these two biggest democracies in the world will assure international society a better tomorrow. Just before the function, we were waiting for Honorable Chief Minister. That time I was talking to the Consul General of United States, Mr. Peter Haas, why the rupee and dollar are not traveling together, why they are lagging, why there is a distance between the two, and I hope that can be covered in a recent future. I once again congratulate award-winning outstanding personalities and express my best wishes for a successful journey of Indo-American Chamber of Commerce. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.